Hey everyone, my name is Martin, and I am not a game developer, but this is Unity. So what am I doing here? Whoa, what the is this, man? Okay, well, hey, I'm gonna try and learn game development. I'm a software developer with like 9 years of experience. I've worked for a really big company, and I've worked for some smaller companies. And like I said, I've never done any game development, save like I worked on a shitty little game for a game jam like 6 years ago, and I think like 10 years ago I messed around with Unity, but never did anything like major or big. Okay, so like, okay, I'm not a game developer. And what I want to do today is look at some tutorials on Unity, and you can go through that with me. And if you have no interest in that, well, you can get the fuck out of here, man. So first, I'm gonna start a new project, and let's see. There's Essentials Pathway, this learning thing. This guy right here. Let's do that, right? We'll go ahead and create project. You know what? That's fine. This is going to take a second to build, so I'll see you once it's built. Okay, and it's built. So, what do we have here? We have a little intro screen. Welcome to the Unity Essentials in Editor pathway. All right, designed for anyone new to Unity. That's like probably me. This guided learning journey is your first step toward creating confidently in the Unity editor and bringing your vision to life. Sure, in this learning pathway, you'll design different rooms of a house. That sounds fun. We're going to play some Sims, I guess. Learning the essentials of one key skill set as you complete each room. Oh, cute. You'll go through these skills in the following order: editor essentials, 3D essentials, audio essentials, programming essentials. Hey, that one might be fun. 2D essentials, publishing essentials. Ready to get started? Yeah, you bet your fucking ass. All right, what do we do here? Unity essentials, editor essentials. Let's click that. Okay. Let's click this one. Okay, gives you a video.
In this first series of tutorials, you'll master the essentials of navigating in the Unity editor. Because Unity is such a powerful program that can do so many things, the interface can be overwhelming at first. So we'll start from the very beginning, making sure that you're comfortable moving around the interface. In an outdoor playground scene, you'll learn how to confidently navigate 3D space. You'll use fly-through mode to soar through scene view, then frame and orbit around key objects in the environment.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
You'll also master the move and rotate tools, allowing you to precisely position and orient objects to design your own unique creations. You'll even learn some pro tips for working effectively in Unity, like using keyboard shortcuts to switch between tools, toggling between coordinate systems, and using isometric view for more efficient workflows. Learning to navigate 3D space confidently in Unity is like learning to swim before diving into the deep end. It's critical. It equips you with the skills you need to stay afloat and have fun once you jump in and start creating. So, let's get started by building the essential skills that will empower you to create with Unity.
Okay. This is going to be a little challenging for me. I am on a laptop. I might have to get a mouse and keyboard or something later, but for now, I guess we'll keep doing this. Tutorial overview. In this first exercise, you'll explore the most commonly used windows of Unity Editor one by one. Although you can rearrange the windows, you'll be using Unity's default layout so that your screen matches the screenshots in the tutorial. Great, fantastic. All right, there's this thing down here, the project. Open a scene from the project window. Okay, locate the slider at the bottom right corner. Yeah, you can't see it. It's out of the view for you, but we'll go ahead and make these like that so you can see them all, I guess. Drag the slider all the way to the left to see it in list form. Oh, okay, sure. List form. In the asset folder, open Unity Essentials. Yeah. And then scenes. Okay. And then double click one starter scene. Sure. And then above the project window in the center of the editor, you'll see a robot. I'm just reading over here, by the way. You'll see a robot standing on a big white platform. I sure do see that. Okay, next. All right, we got another video. Video time, you guys. Okay. They're like clicking stuff. I think they're double clicking that and it like moves to the thing. They're showing that you can like click on a thing and it moves your camera to go view that thing. All right. Did you notice the hierarchy window? I did notice that. Yeah, fantastic. Let's go down to the instructions. In the hierarchy window, double click on some game objects. So yeah, what did I tell you? I remember like some things from before when I did this. Oh yeah. Okay, boom. We're looking at them. Yeah, fun. Yeah, cool. Sweet. Awesome. Okay. In the hierarchy window, locate the box's game object. Yup. Then use the fold out to expand it and explore the game objects within. Yeah, cool. Ooh, boxes. Ooh, okay. Game objects are typically organized in a hierarchical tree-like structure. In the hierarchy window, a game object can have parent game objects and child game objects. Parent game objects contain the other game objects, which are referred to as child game objects. Yeah, sweet. To return to a view that allows you to see the entire environment, double-click the ground game object. Yeah, great. Okay. Another video. Let's check it out. What do we got? Ooh, ah. We're looking around the screen. We're dragging. We're moving. It's going to tell us how to navigate things. All right. So with your cursor over the scene view, right click and drag. Ooh, ah, okay. You'll notice that the cursor turns into an eyeball icon when you do this. This is the view tool. It's like turning your head. Whoops. Can't right click. It's hard. It's hard to do. All right, sweet. It's like turning your head. I like that. A good analogy. Release the right mouse button, then use the arrow keys to freely move around the scene view. Oh, ah. Yes, very good. Ooh, that's fun. Okay. As a challenge, use these navigation techniques to get a close-up view of the robot character. Ooh, okay. Uh, boom, let's go in here and then turn our head to look at him. Ooh, yeah, and then, whoa, a little fast there. Yeah, oh yeah, close-up view. Hey, buddy, good-looking fella. All right. If you ever get lost in the scene, simply go back to the hierarchy and double-click on one of the things, blah, blah, blah. Okie dokie. What is this video? So we're like clicking on stairs, moving things around. Right. Okay. By default, there's a floating toolbar. Yep, there it is. In the upper left, these are the main scene view tools. There are also a number of toolbars above the scene view. These guys, look at this. These toolbars include buttons and settings that allow you to select and adjust game objects and change the way your scene is displayed. For now, avoid clicking on those tools. You got it, boss. These selections can't be undone and it can be hard to know how to reset your settings. Don't worry, you'll get to these options later. In the hierarchy window, double click on the stairs. Bam, stairs. And then select the top tool from the toolbar that looks like a hand. This guy. And then with the pan, ooh, we can like move it around. We can like drag the thing around. And that's moving me, my view. That's not moving the actual objects themselves. Notice how you can see the change reflection in the sky. I can. What am I seeing? Notice how you can see the changing reflection of the sky in the shine. Yeah, I guess I can. Oh, ooh, oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Ooh. All right, next. If the scene view is like a movie set, then the game view is what you see through the camera. Sure, it's what the end user of your experience will see. I love that analogy. When you enter play mode to test your application, you will automatically be taken to the game view. Sure. Let's watch this video real quick. Okay, yeah, so you click that button up here, and then you're like in the game view. Yep, I knew about this one already. Select the play button, and then you can move the robot. Use WASD. Press spacebar to jump. Move the mouse to rotate. Hold shift. If your cursor disappears, press escape again. Try to jump, collect the stars. You'll be just out of reach, but you'll try to fix that in the next scene. And then when you're finished with play mode, press stop and then exit play mode and return the scene view. It's crucial to exit play mode when you're done testing. If you remain in play mode, none of the changes you make will be saved. That's good to know. Ooh, okay. Oh, the cursor speed is so slow. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! All right. Fantastic. All right. What do we got here? All right, we click the ground. We are showing that we have an inspector view. We can hit the different objects, and we're gonna maybe move the star closer. Is that what's going on here? Uh-oh, we're moving it closer. All right, fantastic. So the inspector view, the inspector window is where you'll find and configure details about game objects. Yep, this was in the old version of Unity that I used as well. When you select a game object in the scene view or in the hierarchy window, its components are listed in the inspector window. Components describe the properties and behaviors of game objects. That sure is true. In this step, you'll use the inspector to move the star a little bit closer. Okay, select one of the game objects in the hierarchy. How about the star? Then browse its components in the inspector window. Here it is. Let's look at all those. Yeah, we got some stuff. We have a transform star. It's a mesh filter. We have a mesh renderer, a box collider, an audio source, and also a script. Ooh, and a material. I'm not sure if you can see that. It might just be slightly out of view of the recording. We're going to reduce the X position value by 1 or 2. Let's set it to 5. And if we wanted to, oh geez, there we go. I want to take a look at it. Oh yeah, come on. Where's my star? There it is. Yeah, let's go over here. You guys get to watch me struggle to navigate around all this stuff. Whoops, come on. There it is. Ooh, yeah, that looks close enough, right? All right, play mode. Let's try it. Can we reach our star? Yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, still out of reach. All right, closer. All right, let's try 4. Here we go. Come on. Come on, I believe. I believe. Oh, I'm a star boy. All right. Fantastic. Next. What are we doing here? All right. We're looking at the hierarchy. File, save. They want us to save. All right. I can just save it. Boom. Control S. Wow. I'm a genius. Next. Review the process. And then, all right. Congratulations. You did it. Wow. Done. Okay. Let's do 3D Essentials. Wait, why am I only 17% done with Editor Essentials? Okay. Let's go to Master 3D Scene Navigation. Navigating 3D space in the scene view is an absolutely critical skill for working in Unity. Let's watch the video real quick. We are... Ooh, oh my god, he's going so fast. You know, it'd probably be helpful to have a proper mouse, but YOLO. If you've never worked with Unity 3D, play around with it. This tutorial, get comfortable moving things around the scene. All right, sick. Instructions in the project window, open Unity Essentials Scenes, and we're gonna look at one playground navigation scene. This one. Boom. There's my new scene. I love it. This video. Yep, they're just showing how to do that. Next. Remember the hierarchy window, which represents the structure of the current scene, is in a tree-like format. It shows your every game object in your scene. Instructions. In the hierarchy window, locate the playground area's game object. There it is. All right. Expand it and then double click on all four of the children. We got the swing set. We got the picnic area, the play structure, and of course the fire pit. Pretty sick. After framing each individual object, double click the parent playground areas. This will neatly frame out. Wait, what? Double click them to quickly frame them. Oh, okay. They're saying frame out as in like it like moves the camera to it. They're calling that's what frame out means. Sure. Or framing. Sorry, that's what framing means. After framing each individual object, double click the parent. This will neatly frame all four of the child objects. Boom. There they are. Sick. All right. Using fly-through mode in the scene view. Ooh, this looks like it could be cool. All right, so we're turning our head. That's the right click, and we can. Oh my god! So we're gonna like hold forward while we like move our camera to like fly around and stuff. I guess. In the scene view, press and hold. Okay, we can use WASD to do this. This is good. Because I'm gonna need my right hand to do my mousing. In the scene view, press the right mouse button and move the mouse to look around. Okay, and then we can, yep. Okay. Yeah, you know what? That is pretty nice. Oh yeah, sweet. Okay. I'm doing it. Oh my god. I'm doing it, you guys. And we can strafe. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, I'm feeling good. Here we go. Alright, this is just a screenshot. In the project window, navigate to the Unity Essentials folder, select the Shortcuts Cheat Sheet asset, read the inspector window. I'm blind. Unity Essentials folder. Right. Shortcuts cheat sheet. Whoa. Okay. You'll see some shortcuts you're not familiar with yet, but we'll get to those later. Continue to the next step to begin the playground scavenger hunt with these shortcuts on your side. Ooh, sick. Okay. Let me just read them here. So, view Q, move W, oh, okay. Okay. That's good. Yep. Don't need to double click that. So that's changing whoa. Hello. So when I click Q, it highlights the hand, and W highlights the move, and E highlights the rotate, and R is scale, and T is I assume for rectangle, rectool. I don't know, man. And then Y for transform. Very good. Sweet. Let's do a scavenger hunt. Okay, so we're gonna play the scene. Whoa. Uh-oh, we gotta find the security key. All right. They're not gonna show me the answer in the thing, are they? Oh, geez. I don't know. I'm a hacker. I just want to know if they're gonna give me the. No, they don't. Okay. So press play, and then we're going to look around. Remember, when you're in play mode, you do no longer able to fly around the environment like you do in the scene view. Enter any 4-digit number into the box. See what happens. Exit play mode. In the next step, you'll start looking for numbers that make up the correct code. Sure. Oh. Oh man, is it this one? Uh-oh. Is it this one? Oh no. Alright, just tried a couple. You know what? Just had to try. Alright. I'm having a good time. All right. Use fly through mode to find the number on the swing set. Okay, here we go. So we, uh, oh geez. Oh geez, I don't want to rotate anything. Uh, like this. Yeah, and then the number on the swing set. Oh god. Oh, there's the swing set. Find me a number. Whoa. It's probably like on the swings. Oh man. This is so hard with just the key um, with the laptop mouse pad. All right, there's a number on here you're telling me? Locate the hidden number on the back of the top bar of the swing set. Oh, okay. Helps to read. It's a 2. Okay. You might want to write down the thing as you find them so you don't forget. All right, it's a 2. It's a 2. Man, is there just going to be like something on the back side of all of these things? Oh geez. All right, I better see what we're doing here. All right. What are we doing? Oh, we're looking at. Oh my God, it's inside the. Oh geez. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, it's a 0. It's a 0. All right, we got a 2 and a 0. Hold on, I want to make sure I'm not missing anything here. In the scene view, do the thing with the grill, go in, use your mouse scroll wheel with 2 fingers, trackpad, zoom in, find the number, make sure to write it down. Okay, so it's a 0. If you're still inside the grill, zoom out, rotate, look at the play structure. So we have 2, 0, where in the play structure. Once you're in the play structure, hold Alt. All right, let's look at the play structure. Boom, play structure. All right, where is it? On the bottom of the play structure. It's a 0, 2, 0, 0. All right, and then we have a fire pit. Fire pit, bam. I bet it's underneath. That seems like something they would do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh man. Come on. All right. All right, let's see what it tells us to do. Jesus Christ. With the fire pit framed, use the cone-shaped gizmo to view it directly from the side. Boom. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fire pit. Give me the fire pit. Oh, this is handy. Is it a 1? What am I looking at? Depending on your orientation, beneath the front, back, left, right, bottom, you want this isometric view with the 3 lines. If you don't immediately see the 4th hidden digit, continue rotating around the fire pit. I think it's maybe a 1. I think it's supposed to be this thing. It's like a 1. I guess. I guess it's like, it's a 1. Whoa, geez. Oh, geez. I think they're supposed to line up to be a 1. Oh, it's a 4. Is it a 4 or is it a 1? Hmm. Hmm. What do you guys want from me? I mean, that's not a 4. Oh no, you guys. I think you're meaning for it to be a 4. You're getting a little too clever. You're getting a little too clever. Let's try it. 2004. Alright, it was a 4. Hey, we did it. Alright, we did it. We did it. Yeah. Alright, we're a third of the way through. Let's look at the next one. Pass the scene view flying test. Wow, I'm so excited. This is now I'm gonna be a gamer. Here we go. Learn to navigate 3D space is a lot like learning to drive a car. Yeah, sure. All right, here we go. What are we gonna do? Put in the rings. Ooh. We're showing where the rings are. And now, here we go. All right. In the hierarchy window, select the game objects. Select the rings game object. Reading comprehension is hard. Rings. 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 There they are. Boom. We put them in. Expand the rings. Okay. Ring 1. There it is. Okay. Also hold Alt and left click. Sorry, what? You want to hold Option, left click to orbit behind the ring. Whoa. Okay. So that's like a different way. Ooh. Oh, fancy. Oh. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice way to... Ah. Option and left click and drag. Okay. In the hierarchy window, expand the rings. Yeah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, zoom through the center ring using the scroll wheel or trackpad. Oh. Boom. Ah. No. Zooming is... No, I don't want to zoom. No. Alright, I think that for me, using the fly mode is going to be our best bet on a Mac like this. On a laptop. Just with a mouse pad. Yeah, we're doing it. Oh, man. Ah, the struggle. Yes. Come on. Is this fun? Is this good content? Am I making good content right now? All right. There we go. Okay, we do the thing. Zoom in. Select the next ring, then press F to frame it. Ooh. Oh, that's... I mean, I could just double click it. I don't know why I'd ever press F. Zoom through the center. Oh, that's annoying. I don't know if you guys can hear that car alarm. Zoom through the center of the ring, then repeat. Okay, la-di-da. Once you've done your things, once you frame, orbit, zoom your way through, try to complete the course again using fly-through mode. Sure. In the hierarchy window, select the rings at the top, disable them. Boom, they're gone. Bam. All right, sick. And we're done. Save it. All right. Create a mural in the scene view. You're now much more comfortable navigating the scene view and maneuvering through 3D space. That's true about me. The next critical skill to acquire in Unity is the ability to move and position objects within this space. In this tutorial, you'll utilize the move and rotate tools to craft a mural of your own design. Uh-oh, you better watch out. Here we go. All right, mural. We display the mural. Ooh, okay. So you want me to do this. Mural. Show me the mural. Frame it. View it. Ooh, yeah. Nope. This one. Oh, I'm figuring out, you guys. Mural. Frame it. Look at that. And then, oh, yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, man. Oh, geez. Okay, I'm figuring it out. Yes, I'm figuring it out. Okay, now select the move tool, which is the second tool in the floating toolbar within your scene view. Again, is this good content? I feel like this can't be good content, but whatever. Select the move tool, which is the second tool in the floating toolbar. This one, which is W. And then open the coordinate system selection drop down menu and select local coordinates. At the top of the scene, open the coordinate system. Oh boy. This thing, I guess. Oh boy, I never used this before. Select the drop down menu and select local coordinates. This might not be right. All right, what am I doing wrong here? Let me back up a second. Select the move tool. Did that. At the top of the scene view, here we go. Local, baby. Okay. Observe that in this mode, depending on which puzzle piece you select, the three axis arrows change orientation, reflecting the individual object's orientation. They do. Depending on which puzzle piece you select. Puzzle pieces. Oh, these puzzle pieces. Yes, very good, very good. W. Oh, look at that. They are rotating. And if this were in global, yeah, right. It's like, yeah, you see that? Okay. But it's like, they're like pointing different ways because they're rotated. Very nice. No matter which object you select, the axis arrows point in the same direction. In this case, it makes more sense to use global coordinates since you're moving all the objects directly to the right in the world space. Yeah, okay. Don't move any pieces yet, though. You'll do that next. Go back to global. Next. To ensure the move tool is still selected, sure is. And with the global coordinates, we set that. In the scene view, select a large red rectangular one, this one. And then click and drag the red guy here, move it to the right. Yep, we can like slide it around. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Zoom out. Yeah, boy. Okay. Tip, it's best to select the tip of the arrow to minimize the chance of accidentally selecting the wrong one. Click and drag the blue arrow to move it forward and back. Yup. Okay. The rotation isn't important at this point. Okay. Now select the Rotato Potato tool. That's E. Okay. Don't click and drag the rings if you were turning, as if you were turning a wheel. Instead, click and drag your mouse in one direction as if you're drawing a straight line. Right. They don't want you to do like this. They want you to do like this. And let me demonstrate that. Like that. As opposed to like that. Right? Or like that. Is no good. We want to move it around like this. Very nice. Easy peasy. Something like that. Adjust the rotation until the piece aligns with your mural's design. I don't know. What should we make, you guys? Whoa. Oh. What should we make? I want to make a horsey. Okay? Let's make a horsey. So we're going to rotate this guy like that. Okay. We got one horsey. Let's move this guy. Rotato potato. Nope, like that. You get rotated like that. You get rotated like that. Move you on over to here. Wow, my horse. All right. Move this guy out like that. And then we get a little neck. Cute little neck. Right there. And then our little head goes up here. Ooh, it's my little horsey. Rotate you around. Should be like this. Like that. Yep, like that. Very cute. Hey, is my little horsey. Look at my little horse. Oh my god, it's just the best horse. It's the best horse. Very cute. All right. Oh, whoops. No, it may be tempting to go ahead and finish your mural right now, but hold on. You'll learn some critical skills that will help you finish in even more efficient ways. Whoops. All right. With your cursor in the scene view, press the 6 first keys in the top. Boom. I pressed them. Notice how it cycles through these things. Yeah, it sure does. Press W on the keyboard to switch the move tool. Select your next large triangular piece and do the things. Once positioned, do the things. Remember, don't drag. If you need to adjust the things, W again. Yeah, that is what I was doing. So I did it. Good job, me. With the move tool active, select the next puzzle piece you want to move into your mural. Yeah, okay, we did all that. This action will switch your view. Whoa, what? Am I missing something? Right-click the scene view gizmo and choose to disable perspective. Right-click. Disable perspective. Whoa, okay. This action will switch into isometric mode. In this mode, notice how you can now only see the z-axis. Oh. Okay. Look at that. That's good to know. You can no longer see the global y-axis. With the move tool active, locate and select the small purple square at the intersection of the z. Oh. Oh, yeah, look at that. We can just like move it around. Nice. Real nice. Position the piece precisely where you want it. If you need to rotate the object, press E on the keyboard to enter rotato mode. P, rotato mode. All right, so we can still rotate it that away. We can still rotate along all directions. Right. 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 Very nice. Very nice. We're killing it. Okay, done. Whoa. Continue moving and rotating the piece. All right, we did it. In the hierarchy window, locate and select the tangram reference. Sure, this thing. Boom. In the inspector window, disable the checkbox. Get out of here. Right-click the scene, view gizmos, enable perspective. Okay. Use the orbit function. Alt left click or Mac option left click. Right. Oh, there's my piece. And look, this red one I rotated. So the rotation should be 90. This thing. This thing. And this thing. Oh. At least Alright, so now let's rotate this back around. Oh man. It goes like this, I think. Okay, great. We fixed it. Right, so option, click. Yeah. Cute. And then, like that. Yeah, ooh. We are figuring it out. Very nice. Save the scene. Saved it. Proceed to the next tutorial, which includes options challenging the further development of your skills. Great. Alright, in the hierarchy window, reactivate the rings game object to make the rings appear in the scene view. Rings, give me them rings. Bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Wow. Complete the rings course using fly-through mode, and also incorporate Q and E to see if you can complete it more quickly. Sure. I don't know how you can complete it more quickly. Oh, oh, fuck. No. uh. Alright, you know what? That's enough of that. In the hierarchy window, use the fold-out triangle to expand the mural. Sorry, did they want me to remove it? Fly out scene, view setting, camera, scene. You also incorporate the Q and E if you can fly out too fast. If you find you're flying too fast, open the scene view. Oh, maybe scene view and reduce the camera speed. Camera settings? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's move on. In the hierarchy window, use the fold-out triangle to expand the mural. Hierarchy to expand the mural. Oh, geez. Mural game object. Was this the mural? Did I rename this? I think this is the mural. I might have renamed this by mistake. Boom. The best. Now it's a mural. um, and then select the puzzle pieces game object. Okay. This will allow you to move all the mural pieces at once. Use the move tool to drag it around. Ooh, there it goes. Look at that. With the puzzle pieces game object still selected, press Control D to duplicate it. Ooh, I love that. I love a good Command D to duplicate because that is the same as JetBrains, baby. Okay. Activate the tangram reference. Yup. Let's look at them like this. Make another one. I'm not going to do that. In the hierarchy window, select the parent tube slide. Tube slide. Where are you? Hello. Oh no, the tube slide's all messed up. No, what happened to the tube slide? No, the kids, they can't play. Fuck. In the hierarchy window, select tube slide, make it visible. Use the tips below to assemble them. Okie dokie, let's put our tube slide together. Rotate it around. Oh, that's the wrong way. Control Z. Yes. Yes. Nice and vertical. Move it up. Yep. Perfect. Yes. Connect. We will rotate. Oh my god, am I a genius? Am I a genius? I think I might be a genius, actually. Oh my god, why is this so hard? Am I bad at games? Oh no. What am I rotating right now? Yeah. Whoa. You know what? I think this slide might not be quite right, actually. I think we maybe are connecting the wrong piece. Let's do it like that. That looks a little better. It's got to be safe for the kids, you know? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's so much better. Yeah. 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 Okay, we're still not quite right. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Let's get our last piece. Oh geez. Oh geez. Let's scoot on over here. So this one is gonna connect like this, like this, like this. Yeah. It's not quite right. I'm not sure that this is the safest slide I've ever constructed, but it is the only slide I've ever constructed, so I guess it's the safest one. Uh, boom. Boom. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, right. We can do this. Oh, it's not quite what I wanted. Oh, man. Rotation is very challenging. Yes. Dude, that actually, like, that option click thing is super nice. We're just gonna, yeah. Oh, yeah, I gotta get it just right. Oh, yeah. I feel like something's not aligning correctly for me. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Because these kids, there's a little gap there, and there, you know what? It's a ventilation gap. It's a speed gap, actually. It makes you go faster. Good. All right. Oh, use local instead of global? That would have helped. Hey, you know what? Reading comprehension is challenging. Use local instead of global, blah, 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 blah. Use the legs as the guide, blah, blah. I guess I didn't use the legs as a guide. Let's try using the legs as a guide because it is not rotated correctly. Yes. Yes. More. Yes. Straight up and down. Okay. Yeah, that does look... No, you know what? It doesn't. This thing is not rotated correctly. Oh, my legs. Yeah, look at that. My legs are all messed up. Yeah, look at that. The legs are the guide. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, that's still messed up. Dude, 3D space is challenging. Okay. So now that's correct. Mm, yeah, nice. I'm learning. Is this lined up correctly? I bet it's not. I think that we could rotato this a little. Whoa. I think we could rotato this one a little bit like that. Is this good content? I don't feel like this is good content. Oh, yeah, look, we're like lining up so good. Yeah, look at me go. Look at me go. All right, we still didn't use global like it wanted, or local like it wanted me to. But hey, you know what? It's like way better lined up. I think we got rid of the speed gap, which is unfortunate for the kids. I'm not going to go as fast, but hey, that's looking like a slide for sure. That's super nice. All right, let's save it. Oh, we're so close. Complete the quiz. Complete the quiz for this mission on Unity to learn. After you complete the quiz, come back to the tutorial and continue the next step. All right, let's try it. Hold on now. I want to mark these all as complete. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it. Oh, yeah, we're doing it. Complete the quiz. Have you completed the tutorials? Yeah, explore the editor interface. Master 3D. Wow, that's an easy quiz. Sure, man. Great. What? Okay. Done. Bam. Look at that. I'm a pro. I now know Unity better than probably anyone. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.